So we are here to discuss your set number 1 what we had given in your video drive that you need to fill it. Only 23 responses I got. That is very bad. If you don't want to learn, then this is ridiculous. If means you have to learn it because it will benefit you in future. Whether you are going for any kind of competitive exam, it will help you. And practice makes a man perfect. Everybody of you are knowing that without practice you can't succeed in your life. Is it not? This is not so कि आपको ये आप बोलो कि yes I know the coding decoding method and I will do at exam only. So you will don't get the solution for that. Means practice is required a lot. So please in future whenever I send you, please solve it. Try to solve it. It hardly take 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, fine. The first question is paper. Paper is written as SCTGW. Means P is at 16. P is at 16, S is at 19, means 3 increment is there. A is at 1, C is at 3, 2 is incremented. P is at 16 again and T is at 20, 4 is incremented. You can go the sequence 3, 2, 4, 2, 5. This is the sequence because if we increase R 5 then we will get W. Okay, so this is the sequence. Same we will do with your mother, but in this what we will do, because it is 5 means only 5 digits were there, so that's why he has just added it. So we will write 3 2 4 3 2 4. Okay, we will do, if we increase 3 in M, 2 in M, 4 in T, 3 again in H, 2 in E and 4 in R. So we will get the answer as PQXKJV. यानी ऑप्शन नंबर 3 we will get. Okay, please check जिन्होंने जो आंसर दिया था these are correct or not. Next is certain code 15789 is written as XTZAL and 2346 is written as NPSU. So I told you whenever 2 words are given means it stands for direct coding. So NPTSL will 23549 will be written as NPTSL. आप यहाँ से देख सकते हो, if at 2 stands for your N, 3 stands for your P, 5 stands for your T and 4 stands for your S. S tak 9 is here, 9 is for L. So NPTSL is your answer. We'll go for third. Sikkim is written as THLJJL. So if you decode it, you will found +1 +1 -1 +1 -1 +1 -1 code is there. S में +1 करा, T आया, I में -1 करा, H आया, K में +1, J, K में दोबारा -1 किया तो J, सॉरी L एंड J, K में प्लस किया तो L, K में माइनस किया तो J एंड I में अगर आपने प्लस किया तो यू विल गेट द J, M में -1 मीन्स L. तो सेम वी विल डू विथ training. T +1 is your U, R -1 is Q, A +1 B and so on. You will write as HOF. So answer will be your C part. Okay, now go for question number 4. Triple is written as SQHOOKD. Okay, so in this also if you decode it you will find that +1 -1, सॉरी T में -1 करेंगे, स्टार्टिंग इज -1, R में फिर अगेन -1 इज देयर, R -1, I में +1 करेंगे, you will get I again is -1, sorry -1 P में -1 -1 and -1 means in सब में आपने -1 किया है, in all the letters -1 is there. So same we will do with the dispose. D -1 is your C, I -1 is your H, S minus 1 is your R, P minus 1 is O, O minus 1 is your N, S minus 1 is your R, E minus 1 is your D. So answer will be CHRONRD. Okay, next is your computer is returned as. Computer लिखा जाता है ऐसे. So in this little bit is there confusion. R, F, you will write the coded letter below your main word. You will see A is written, R is written here, last word is shifted to first, and first is put it at last. Got it? So same we will do with medicine. E will write in first and M at last. So means ये दो ऑप्शन तो ऑलरेडी करेक्ट गलत हो ही गए हमारे. ठीक है. और इसमें से अगर आप देखें, अगर आपको ज़्यादा कोड नहीं करना है, ज़्यादा डिकोड, तो यू कैन सी कि इफ़ आई हैव इन माई वर्ड्स आई हैव 8 लेटर्स, तो आंसर्स में भी 8 लेटर्स होने चाहिए. तो ये ऑप्शन भी हमारा यहीं से गलत हो गया. यू कैन डायरेक्टली राइट ए एज योर आंसर, बट इफ़ यू वॉन्ट टू डी कोड इट यू कैन ऑल्सो डू लाइक इन दिस ई +1 एंड रिटर्न दैट एफ. मतलब सेकेंड लास्ट बटन में, सेकेंड लास्ट कैरेक्टर में 1 इंक्रीज किया एंड रिटर्न एज सेकेंड पोजीशन. सो सेम वी विल डू. एन में 1 प्लस करेंगे एंड वी विल राइट इट हेयर एन ओ. ओके. ओ में 1 प्लस किया, सेकेंड लेटर में 1 प्लस करके लिखा गया सेकेंड लास्ट पर. सो वी विल राइट ई में 1 प्लस करके एंड सेकेंड लास्ट यानी एफ वी विल राइट. ओके. इन द सेम मैनर एम में 1 प्लस किया गया एंड रिटर्न एज लास्ट से थर्ड लास्ट. So we will write here also. D में +1 करेंगे, we will write it here. Okay. And T में 1 प्लस किया गया, थर्ड लास्ट में 1 प्लस करके थर्ड पोजीशन पे लिखा गया. सेम we will do. I में 1 प्लस करके थर्ड पोजीशन पे लिखेंगे, we will write it here J. Same manner D and J will come, तो answer will be A. Okay, I hope you like this. Please wait, we will go for the second set also. So you can see that paint is written. We will discuss set number 2. Only 17 responses are there. Very bad. Out of 70 students we are getting only 17 responses. So try to do it better. So paint is written as 74128, Excel is written as 93596. So it is a question of direct coding. So we will write A के लिए we have used 4, so answer will be 4. C के लिए we had used 5, so 455 is there. E के लिए you have used 9, we will write 9 here. P के लिए 7 and for T it is 8. So 455978, it is your first. Okay, reason is as 5. Reason is written as 5. So directly आपको पता चल रहा है कि we are having 6 letters in a number, तो 6 minus 1 is your 5. Here 8 letters are there, 8 minus 1 is 7. So we will write government is having 10 letters, so 10 minus 1 is your 9. So answer will be 9. Next is your Madras is written as NABESBT. So Madras को आपने ये लिखा है, M में +1 करेंगे we can write N, A में +1 करेंगे we can have B, D +1 is your E, R +1 is your S, A +1 is your B, S +1 is your T. Means +1 is done. So we will write B, C, O का P, M का N, B का C, A is B, Y का Z, C, P, N, C, B, Z. We have find this in your option number 2. So answer will be option number 2. Joseph is written as FKOALD. Now decode it. HJKO is written So you will find in this question that every letter is J is at 10. J is at 10, F is at 16, 6 sorry. So 10 minus 4 is 6. O is at 15. K is at 11. 15 minus 11 is 4. Means 4 fours are written. H is at 8. D is at 4. 4 is subtracted from each letter. So same we will do. G is at 7. E is at 5. O is at 15. R is at 18. And G is at again 7. E is at 5. So 4 we will subtract. 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 पर होता है आपका C. 5 minus 4 is 1. You will get the A. 15 minus 4 is 11. That means you will get K. 18 minus 4, 14. So 14 you will get N. 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 you will get C. 5 minus 4 is 1. That means you will get C, K, K, N, C, A. The answer will be D. Okay? Answer will be C, sorry. C, A, K, N, C, A. Next is your pond is written as R, S, T, L. Pond. P होता है हमारा 16 पे. R will be at your 18. O is at 15. S is your 18. 19. S is at 19. N is at your 14. N 14 पे होता है. T होता है हमारा 20 पे. Means 16 से we had gone to 18. 2 plus is there. 15 से we had gone for 19. 4 is there. 2 और 4 का इंक्रीमेंट हुआ है. नेक्स्ट 14 से we have gone to 20 यानी 6 का इंक्रीमेंट हुआ है. D is at 4. L is at 12 यानी 8 का इंक्रीमेंट हुआ है. ठीक है. तो मीन्स 2, 4, 6, 8 का इंक्रीमेंट हुआ है. सेम वी विल डू HEAR plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. So H is at your 8. 8 plus 2 10. 10 means J is there. ठीक है. E is at 5. 5 plus 4 9. So I will be there. A is at 1. 1 plus 6 7. 7 पे कौन सा होता है आपका G. Right. R is at your 18. 18 plus 8 26. 26 पे होता है आपका Z. J I Z Z यानी C ऑप्शन इज देयर. आई होप आपको समझ में आए होंगे क्वेश्चन. एंड फ्रॉम फ्यूचर ऑनवर्ड्स प्लीज ट्राई टू डू द क्वेश्चंस ऑन टाइम. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.